Hello friends, I am Vineet Mehta. I am back with the new video for BCom semester 5, Gujarat University. There are total 7 subjects in BCom semester 5 and as well as BCom semester 6. But we are only discussing the practical subject and how much time will be taken for particular one chapter. Okay, so now first move to the first subject or practical, that is a management accounting. The total university conducts 70 marks. In this subject, first unit contains the 2 chapters. First, introduction of management accounting, and second, financial statement and analysis. In first chapter, totally theory based chapter, and second chapter, theory as well as sums asked. It will take maximum 3 to 4 hours. Second unit, chapter number 3, ratio analysis. It contains 14 marks practical questions. 14 mark practical sums asked. It contains 4 to 5 hours if you study in depth. Unit 3, chapter number 4, cash flow statement as per Accounting Standard 3, which is issued by Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. It contains also 14 marks practical questions and it will take maximum 5 hours. Now unit number 4, there are contained the 4 chapters. Okay, first chapter, chapter number 5, prepare various type of budget. It is a theory as well as practical chapter. It contains maximum 7 mark question if they ask in a practical form. And another 2 chapter, that is a budget and budgetary control and zero based budget, totally based on the theory. So there are no chances for the practical assistance for in this chapter. So it contains, if we are discussing for these 3 chapters, it will take maximum 3 hours. And in this, one of the major chapter is that the cash budget. It contains 100% 14 marks practical question asked in your university examinations. So it will be take maximum 4 hours. Okay. Now I am moving on next subject, that is your cost accounting. You are very interesting subject in this. First, unit number 1, chapter number 1, process costing 1, part 1. Okay, there is only one separate chapter, so you are study in depth this chapter because ultimately there are another 2 chapters are depending on the concept of first chapter, that is a process costing 1. It will be take maximum 4 hours if you study in depth and you solve all the sums which are given in the textbook. Another unit number 2, chapter number 2 and chapter number 3, that is process costing 2 and process costing 3. These 2 chapters, if you study these 2 chapters separately, if I am talking about process costing 2 and process costing 3, process costing 2 may take 3 hours, maximum 3 hours, maximum. And if you study the process costing 3, it will also take maximum 3 hours. Okay. Now moving on, unit number 3, it also contains the 2 chapters, that is chapter number 4, chapter number 5, marginal costing, 14 marks practical question asked or 7 mark practical question asked. Meaning and terms of decision making, totally theory chapter and nothing practical. It will contain 7 marks. So both the chapter take maximum 4 to 5 hours. Okay. Now moving on, unit number 4, chapter number 6 and chapter number 7. Chapter number 6 is amalgamation, totally practical chapters, 14 marks practical sum should be asked from this one chapter, and in that absorption, also the practical and theory. Okay, so it will take maximum 4 hours and amalgamation will be take maximum 5 to 6 hours if you study in depth this particular one chapter. Now moving on another practical subject, that is your statistics. First, unit number 1, chapter number 1, that is the integration and its application. In semester 4, you study the differentiation and application of derivatives, chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 in BCom semester 4. Now there is another chapter which depend upon the differentiation, that is the integration and its application. One of the important chapter, and that's base concept you studied in BCom semester 4. That is totally practical and as well as theory, and you know there are the 16 mark out of 70, there is 16 marks theory should be asked in particular one subject. It will take maximum 4 hours. Now moving on, next unit, unit number 2, chapter number 2, that is a Poisson distribution and hypergeometric distribution. It will take maximum 3 hours. Another unit number 3, unit number 4, chapter number 3, chapter number 4, there is a interdependent chapter, that is a process control technique and product control technique. This chapter also contains 3 to 4 hours if you study in depth and you solve all the sums in a textbook. Product control technique also take 4 hours, maximum 4 hours, nothing else. So these are the structure of your practical 3 subject. Now you also studied the 4 subject also, that is your economics, commercial communication, management, and one of the new and interesting subject, business laws. These 4 subjects are totally based on the theory, nothing 1% practical question should be asked in this 4 subject. If I am talking about the year 2017-18, so your new course is as applicable in 3 subjects, that is your economics, commercial communication, and as well as fundamental of statistics. And another 2, management and business laws, are same as per the previous rules and regulation and previous syllabus. Now these are the totally in-depth structure for analysis and how to prepare for examination of BCom semester 5, Gujarat University. If you have any query or any doubt, you may contact on my mobile number or WhatsApp number. Thank you.